Are you feeling totally swamped, like you're constantly chasing deadlines and never quite catching up? What if I told you the secret to getting more done isn't to speed up but to slow down? Welcome to the world of slow productivity. It's a game changer for anyone tired of the endless hustle and burnout cycle. This isn't about being lazy. It's about being smart and sustainable. First up, let's talk about slow accumulation. Think of it like building a great wall, one brick at a time. Instead of trying to do everything at once, you focus on adding a little bit to your project each day or each week. It might not feel like much in the moment, but over time, these small, consistent efforts compound into something massive. It's about valuing the process of steady contribution over the pressure of immediate, spectacular results. This approach reduces stress and, surprisingly, often leads to higher quality work. Next, let's rethink how we measure progress. We're obsessed with streaks, right? Meditate for 365 days straight, write every single day without fail. But life happens. A missed day can feel like a total failure and make you want to quit. Instead, let's embrace progress waves. This means you work intensely on a project for a period, then you might ease off or switch focus for a bit, and then you come back to it. Progress isn't a straight line. It's a series of ebbs and flows. Recognizing this allows you to work with your natural energy cycles instead of fighting against them. A wave of progress followed by a period of rest is far more sustainable than a fragile streak. Finally, and this might be the hardest part, we need to let go of the need for a daily win. The pressure to have a significant accomplishment every single day is a recipe for anxiety. Some days, your biggest win might just be showing up. Other days, you might be brainstorming, planning, or even just resting and recharging. All of these activities are essential parts of the creative and productive process. Redefine what a win looks like. Sometimes the win is simply planting a seed that will grow later. It's about playing the long game by embracing slow accumulation, riding the waves of progress, and letting go of daily wins. You can build a more fulfilling and less frantic relationship with your work. You'll make meaningful progress without sacrificing your well-being. So take a deep breath, slow down, and watch your productivity soar in a way you never thought possible. Thanks for watching. If this idea resonates with you, give this video a like and subscribe for more tips on working smarter, not harder. See you in the next one.